Hi everyone, in this video I'll explain lesson 1.4 that we just covered on Thursday. So here in this video, let's start by what we covered in lesson 1.3. In lesson 1.3 we covered how to have a set of ordered pair just like this one. This one. And we plot this relationship, the set of ordered pair, on the graph. So that was the conclusion of lesson 1.3. So now in lesson 1.4, it's more than one relationship that we need to plot on the same graph, and we compare between the three lines. And the line that is closer or the closest to the y-axis has the highest ratio. So the conclusion or the concept here is to compare between three relationships that is plotted on a graph and find out which one has the highest ratio. The one that has the highest ratio is the closer to the y-axis. So let's start this example. Here it says that juice brand A advertises that it has, I would start highlighting the important information. Juice brand A advertises that it has 10 oranges in its 24-ounce juice carton. The advertised ratios of the number of oranges to ounces for two other juice brands, which is brand B and brand C, are shown in the table and the graph. So for brand A, it's only given the basic ratio and you need to generate the table. For brand B, they generated the table on behalf of you and you just need to plot this relationship on the graph. As for brand C, it's already plotted. So you have nothing to do to brand C. At the end only, we will compare. So I will start by plotting the brand B relationship. So juice is X and number of oranges is Y. So this is X and this is Y. So 8 to 3, because this is very important, as I told you before, to decide which one is X and which one is Y. 8 to 3, here is 8 on X and here is 3 on Y, and I will plot it. Sorry. I will draw. So here is 8 and 3 is here. Then 16 to 6. So here is 16 and here is 6. So this is the point. Then 24 to 9. 24 to 9. 9 is between 8 and 10, which is here. It wasn't accurate. And please use a ruler while you're drawing. 8. So 24 to 9. So here is the second relationship. I will trace it. The third relationship is 24 to 10. So I'll just make the first one because there is no space for the rest of ordered pairs. So it's 24 to 10. So it will be going up like this. So apparently if this will be longer, and even if this is going to be longer, at the end brand C will have the highest ratio because it's the closest to the y-axis, as you can see. And that's it. Just make sure that for the rest of the example, this is X and this is Y. Same goes here. This is X and this is Y. This is X and this is Y. And in all examples, it's the same idea. The muffin madness or the third relationship is plotted. The Millie's muffins, for example, this is the second relationship. You need to plot it. And the first one, which is 2 to 20, this is the one where we will need to generate the table. This table, just a table like this, and plot it. And then you need to compare the three and figure out which one is the closest to the y-axis, and that would be the one with the highest ratio. So that's it.